Hello, I'm Timothy and I'm going to show you another one of LessonUp's great AI tools. This time it's the turn of Summarise website. Go to AI tools, go to Summarise website here. This is a really little useful function that we can use. Me as an English teacher, there's always loads of really big text to look at and sometimes you want to summarise them. So in this case, I'm going to take this is because it's free, the Wikipedia description of Dracula. I probably wouldn't use it in a lesson really, but for a demo it's perfect. And I'm going to paste it in here and I can specify, I can have this as 100-word summary. I'm going to say, let's say 30-word summary. Let's limit it a bit and we'll have it as A level. We can choose all these different levels here as well. Stick with A level. We can change the language, all of these different options here, and we have other as well. So if yours isn't on the list here and you want it in something else, type it in on other, and we will Summarise website. We click on that, and remember, with any AI output, always double check it, always read it and see if it's works well. So we have a nice little summary there. It's very short from that very long website. We can say, okay, well actually we need a bit more detail. Let's put a 100-word summary in. We can change it like that. So there we go. So that's nice and easy to use there. So you can make resources there for your learners really, really easily. What we can also do is we can copy those, we can use them in the lesson, we can just click the button, we can add them that easily. This is whether I'm happy with the output or I'm not satisfied with the output. You can put a little bit of feedback there if you want to. Something else I'm going to show you though is, I'm just doing English examples because being an English teacher, so I'm always biased towards doing that, but this will work for anything. But this is a nice little example. If there's something specific on a website that you want, so this is the whole text of Dracula, it's public domain, so again, it's good for my purposes showing you today because it's out of copyright, but I don't want to summarise the whole book. I just want a particular chapter. So I can actually then go to Summarise website and I could just say 30-word summary of chapter 20. I can actually specify and click Summarise website, and then we can get a new version of it. So we actually get that specific information. So that's great for picking out bits that you may only need for a particular lesson, or again, it will work for lots of different subjects as well. If we want to get really imaginative with it, we can actually just say summary of chapter 20. We could say, let's try it as, if I can spell it, as a haiku. We can try it like that. You don't have to put haiku. You can try lots of different things, experiment with it and see what you get, but it's something that might work for your learners. I'm just doing this for fun, just to show you how versatile it can be. So here we go. So what have we got? Here's a haiku. So it's given us a little summary and it's actually put it right at the end. So boxes of earth found, Dracula's paths are revealed, pursuit narrows in. So we could use that. We could say, well, okay, I want to run that again. If you don't quite think that works, we can try it. There we go. Jonathan tracks boxes, Renfield's mind in turmoil, blood on asylum floor. Okay, yeah, so we could use that and we can say we like that. So we can review that, we can change it, we can do whatever we want to it. So lots of different ideas. Have fun with it, try it out. Try it out in your subject, try it with your learners. You can bring it into your lessons really easily. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.